Before applying Dents-Defy liquid flashing, make sure the surface is ready for application. Ensure that the panel and adjacent surface are mechanically secured, free from moisture, frost, dust, dirt, and other bond-inhibiting materials. If you have gaps wider than 1/4 inch, insert a backer rod before applying the liquid flashing. Using a caulk gun, apply Dents-Defy liquid flashing over the joint. Grab your straight edge tool and spread the flashing evenly, ensuring it covers at least 2 inches on each surface. Apply to a minimum thickness of 16 wet mils for best results. Dents-Defy liquid flashing isn't only easy to apply, it cures to form a flexible, durable seal. Don't forget to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area.